In this video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your site traffic with the traffic analytics tool in HubSpot. So in order to do this, what you can do is you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot. So you first need to access the tool. You can click onto the search bar and search right here for analytics. Now in here, it will load the search results. You can see right here the analytics for marketing, for your sales analytics and the likes. So as of right now, we have these apps for marketing and sales only. And if you want to access the traffic, you can head right here to your reporting and clicking on this reports right here. Once you're onto the reporting tab, you can just head over and then locate the traffic or the actual website visitor engagement. You can click on this right here or this new web visitor session. So you can just hover to that and click on actions. And after that, you can see this go to analytics tool. Once you have clicked on it, it will open the analytics of your actual HubSpot regarding that particular report. Now here we have the web traffic analysis. You can choose right here some ready-made reports, and you can see in here the sources, the pages, UTM, the device types, and it will generate a report or analysis based on that. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.